In this video, we will continue chapter 9, our industries. In previous video, we have studied about the industry, about the types, and we have studied about cottage industries in detail. In this, we will continue with small scale industries. Small scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. Means in the cottage industries, they set up in their home and only one or two people work, and in this they employ few workers, means they give employment to some people also, and use small machines. People work in a small factory, means here is a different place for making goods. They make utensils, garments, hosiery items, and electrical and plastic goods. Hosiery meaning stocking or shocks. It is a kind of fabric also. They make utensil, garments, hosiery items, and electrical and plastic goods. Now, large scale industries. Large scale industries employ thousands of workers. Means large scale industries produce things, goods in large quantity. A large number of goods are produced with big machines. Means in this type of industries, they use big machines to produce goods. Highly trained workers are needed. Means for this type of industries, trained workers are also needed. Large scale industries include textile mills, iron and steel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants and factories manufacturing automobiles and railway equipments. Means large scale industries include, means in this type of industries they include textile mills for making clothes, iron and steel plants for making different type of iron material and steel material, oil refineries to refine fuel. They in oil refineries they refine crude oil. Crude oil is a raw form of oil and they refine there to use. Chemical plants and factories manufacturing automobiles. Automobiles is related to four-wheelers or cars, and railway equipments. Means these type of industries are set up in very big scales. Highly trained workers are needed, and different big industries are also there. Large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. Means to run this type of industries, raw material and power should be easily available. Most of them are located in or near big cities. Map 9.1 shows the location. You can see here is given index. Wherever you will see this type of sign, that particular place related to textiles. This type of sign, iron and steel. This one, railway equipment. This one, automobiles, electronic goods, shipbuilding and aircraft manufacturing. Like here you can see this. This is the symbol of electronic goods. So Kanpur is for electronic goods as well as textile also. You can see here textiles and electronic goods. In this way you can find out the places and the industries. Map 9.1 shows the location of some important industries of India. Table 9.1 lists the names of few places associated with these industries. You can see here one table is here. Here are given the names of industries and here are the places where they are located. Means these are the famous places related to this particular industry. Go through it and learn. Besides the industries mentioned in the table, some other important industries in India are cement, fertilizers, paper, machinery and chemicals. Means here you can see like cotton textile, silk textile, woolen textile, iron and steel, jute mill, sugar mill, railway equipment, automobile, electronic goods, shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturing. Here are given this much only, and here are some important industries also, like cement industry, fertilizer industry, paper industry, machinery and chemicals industry. So in this chapter we have studied about the industry. Industry is a particular place where raw materials converted to make goods, and in this we have also studied about three types of industries: cottage, small scale and large scale. Here we have finished this chapter. Here are given three words to know: resource, hosiery and oil refinery. Note down them in rough copy and learn them also. And here are given read and answer. Circle the correct answers and match the columns. Read and do them in your book.